Hey everybody, Double P here. Welcome. Today is Friday, October the 1st, 2021, and this is going to be a really short video. Today, my platinum traders and myself, we crushed the QQQ today. So let's kind of go over it really quickly. The market is in a little bit of a downward spiral here. So as you see here, I mapped out my resistance level. So as you can see here, I mapped out my resistance level to this level. This price point right here is 356.95. When it was 356.95, when it tapped it, this is resistance when it was coming down. I just said to myself, this is the area of resistance that I want to get in, because as you can see here, the QQQ was just going on higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. And then this was resistance right here at this particular point on the 5-minute chart. As you can see here, I'm on the 1-minute chart. So what I decided to do is let's go over to the 5-minute chart so you can see it a little bit more clearly. And let's actually go to the big screen right over here on the 5-minute chart. And let me click over here, QQQ, so that you can see it a little bit better on the 5-minute chart. So you can see resistance. Let me map that out again. I don't know why I didn't map out on this chart. Let's go over 356.95. Sorry about that. 356.95. And we can always clear that up. All right. So as you can see here, at 356.95, that was resistance, and it tapped on the 5-minute chart. So remember, the 5-minute chart is when we're looking at doing our setups to get into the trade, and then we trade on the 1-minute chart. At least that's what I do, and that's what I teach my Platinum Trader Beta Testers Group members to do as well, because this is deadly effective trading strategy. It's a highly probable trade. You just have to understand and know what you're doing when you're moving into the trade. So that's what I teach inside of the course that I have. But let's get into the screens here so we can continue on. So when I mapped everything out, let's go down here. This was my 355. It was actually 355.04 that I exited. 355, yeah, it's around 355.04 that I actually exited the trade. So as you can see here, this was a monster move for myself to be able to get into this position here. And I just rode the trend all the way down, in and out. Like I said, I'm an intraday momentum options scalper. So I'm in and out of trades within a matter of minutes, up to like 10, 15, maybe an hour. Could I have stayed in this trade? Sure. Because the way the QQQ is rocking, I could have stayed in this trade. But you know what? It's Friday. A lot of traders, what they do is they make money throughout the week, and then when Friday lands, they lose all the money and give it back to the market. We like to do the exact opposite of that, which is make money throughout the whole entire week. And on Friday is our banking day. We're in and we're out. Plus, too, this was an expiration for the QQQ today, so the options were extremely cheap, but highly profitable. Yeah, there was a lot of theta burn on it, but guess what? When there's options expiration, what happens with the theta is it burns so much that literally the day of expiration, it really can't burn that much more. I mean, it's hit its peak volatility, and it's hit its peak theta decay. That when you're into the position, you're really into it for only a couple minutes anyway, so you're not really worrying about it. So let's come over here so that you can see the trade that I sent out to my members. So let me just move this over here so that you see it. So here's the Platinum Traders. There's a short scalp. Once again, short scalp. I bought the October 1st, 2020, October 1st, 21 QQQ 357.50 puts for $1.77, and I'm looking for 25% profit. And then when you see here, I have a tight minus 10% stop loss. Again, these are the parameters that I send out to my group. I have bigger accounts, so I'm able to go a little bit more when it comes to profit. And my stop loss, I'm able to have a little bit bigger of a stop loss, but it's the same theory for me. It's the same practical application for me. I monitor my positions. So I don't do any manual I don't do any automated stop losses. I do a manual stop loss. So I sit and I monitor the charts. And as you can see right there, that's the position. That's what I sent out to the group. And then we can come down here, you'll see my profit. So we'll just scroll over here so that you see exactly what we did today, or what I did today. So plus 20% on the QQQ, and my profit for today was $4,500. And the trade literally was not even 20 minutes in and out. So I hope you enjoyed that there. Let me put that down there. And for those of you, let me come over here. Obviously, I have to blur out my actual account, but you see here, I do have a margin account. It's real, it's live, it's in real time. I just don't want to violate the terms and services of my brokerage. And obviously, people are going to say, well, what do you have partially delayed data here? I mean, I've gone over this multiple times in my other videos. You can clearly see them. So what I'll come over here and what I'll do is I'll click on this right here. You can see stock is in real time. Everything's in real time. Amex, NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, all real-time data that I'm getting. And you see equity options is in real time because that's what I do, equity options, right? And then you see here futures and futures options. I don't understand futures. I don't understand futures options. I don't deal with it. My speciality is options and stocks. So I don't need real-time data for this. I don't have that turned on and I don't need it. So that's why that says partially delayed there. And you see Forex is in real time, and you see others in real time for other securities and other commodities. So my account is in real time. It's all right there. You see the date right now that I'm cutting this video is October the 1st, and the time is now 10:45 and 56 seconds. So I hope you enjoyed that. Support, this is resistance right here. This is my profit taking and my exit. I didn't need to put a stop loss in way up here or anything, because why didn't I need to put a stop loss in or anything like that? Well, because of the way the trend is. Remember, if you go back to my other videos, I tell you there's 4 things that we look at. And one of them is the trend is, as long as the trend is going in the direction that you're making your trade in, you follow the trend until the trend is broken. Now, because I'm an intraday momentum option scalper, when I'm following the trend for me is going to be short. I'm not doing swing trading, so I don't need to be into the trend for 2 days or 3 days or 5 days. I'm not doing any investment, so I don't need to be into the trend. Hopefully it's going to be for 3 weeks or 3 months. I'm an intraday momentum option scalper. I'm in and I'm out. I like to get into the market. I like to get out of the market. I like my members to get into the market, and I like my members to get out of the market. Do we do investing? Absolutely. Do we do swing trading? Absolutely. Do we do day trading? Absolutely. Intraday trading is where it's at, people. This is the highest caliber type of trading there is, because you're doing intraday momentum trading. So it's not about, you can take a position when it comes directional, or you can trade in a box, or you can not take the positions. So we like to take positions whether the market's up, whether the market's down, whether the market's going sideways. We do all 3 when it comes to intraday trading. and with there's specific strategies for that. So if you like this video, you like to hear more, you want to see more, you guys know what you need to do. Please, I need to get my subscribers up here. I need to get my view count up or my watch time up. So please smash that like button, like everything that you see, share it with your friends. If you want to be a subscriber, absolutely be a subscriber. I'd love to have you. If you want to be able to get more strategies, you want to be able to get inside of the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group, you want to be a profitable trader, you want to learn all about options, listen, I don't know what everybody else is doing out there in YouTube land. All I can tell you is when you go to my website at the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group, you're going to see a link somewhere down here, somewhere on the screen. You're going to see a link. You'll also see it on my YouTube channel. You'll also see it probably at the end of the video somewhere. If you are really in dire need, or if you really want to be more profitable, you want to be more efficient with your trading, you want to be an executioner with your trades, I highly recommend that you come over to my site. I got a whole bunch of training there for you. You're going to see more live training. That's all they do is live trading, right? You're going to see live trading straight up, no BS, no shenanigans, no funny business. You like what you see, I definitely would love to welcome you with open arms into the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group. Come join the family. We've got hundreds of members. We're doing awesome. Yes, we have red days like everybody else, but our red days are mitigated by our nice big green days, and we have more green days than we have red days. So you want to join, you want to be a profitable member, you know where you need to go. And by the way, like I said, this is going to be a free YouTube channel. All my videos here are going to be free. I'm giving away great content. I'm showing you my live trades. I'm doing live trading. You're going to learn a whole bunch. So either way, it's a win-win for you. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the profit zone. Take care, everybody. Double P over and out. Cheers.